Yes.
May I
Milord,
plead,
in
ma'am?
extraordinary circumstances.
Now, just a minute. Have you taken the slips? Have you shifted it separately for different heads that I have told you? Yes.
माय लॉर्ड, एक क्रिमिनल अपील अगेंस्ट कन्विक्शन है हुजूर, कल मेंशन किए थे तो हुजूर बोले थे कुछ रिलेवेंट डेट वगैरह पूछे थे हुजूर, तो वो नहीं बता पाए थे, बोले हुजूर कन्विक्शन हुआ है 12/4/22 को हुजूर, 7/5/22 को हुजूर फाइल हुआ, लेडीज है पिटिशनर।
Tomorrow. Note करिए.
Milord, in extraordinary circumstances, I am mentioning this case, appeal criminal DB, Milord. This has been accepted by your lordship on account of.
I remember, and my court master has informed me
Ji.
that the office has expressed inability to place this.
No,
The reason I have not asked him.
He has said, Milord, that one IA, which I have stated in my IA petition also, one IA is already pending for grant of bail. But Lord, here in this case, Lord, another IA has been filed for a grant of provisional bail only period of 1 week, Lord, and soon thereafter I will surrender. Because of the fact, Lord, the marriage of the appellant, sister of the appellant, is going to be solemnized on 30, Lord, and on 30 of this month. And Lord, his father no more. He is the sole brother, Lord, and he has to.
Tomorrow. It's only for a.
May I mention one case, your lordship?
करके दिखाइए. Tomorrow, before any other bench. हमारे यहाँ तो बहुत अपील लगा हुआ है. Any other bench.
May I mention one case, your lordship?
Before the second person.
May I mention one case, your lordship?
I am permitted to mention, my lord. I have filed a slip, my lord. It's 1.5 years old. It has not been taken up, my lord.
May I mention one?
Just a minute. 1.5 years old का slip दे दिया है ना?
I have given.
It has never been taken up. Get all these matters listed. Mr. Rajanandan, if it is not listed tomorrow, it will be listed in the next week. So therefore, only 4 days and all judges have their matters. So we have spaced it out amongst the other judges. If it can be done tomorrow, because tomorrow there are bigger number of judges, if it could be done tomorrow, जिनका bench है उसमें कर दीजिए, नहीं तो किसी में भी कर दीजिए.
May I mention one case?
Make a note. Ask the registrar list to meet. Yes.
May I mention one case, your lordship? Your lordship, father, mother, and grandfather of petitioner have already died, and only grandmother who was alive also died on 21st of this month, your lordship. And I have to appear in this Shraddh ceremony, your lordship.
श्राद्ध का कागज देखें.
Your lordship, I have also filed a supplementary affidavit which is on record.
आप किस दफा में?
Excise Act, your lordship. Clean antecedent, your lordship. May I permit to mention a case?
Any day, one of these days. The difficulty is that we have only 1 day left with us. So if it is not listed in any one of the benches till tomorrow, then it goes in the next week. And then it will depend upon the senior most judge sitting that time whether he will accept it or not.
Lordship, may I permit to mention a case, Lordship? It is anticipatory bail application in the Excise Act, Lordship. It was 9 months have been passed, Lordship, and the wife of the petitioner is suffering from several diseases, Lordship.
Prayer rejected. Yes.
Lordship.
Yeah. Transfer matter, my lord.
Prayer rejected.
My lord, perhaps for similar co-convict has been listed, my lord, serial number 9. I have also my lord slip दिए थे, लेकिन मैं नहीं चढ़ पाया, my lord. इसलिए my lord आप हुजूर के सामने 99 में
99
जी my lord, तो साथ में एक साथ my lord सुन लिया जाए दोनों को.
एक साथ तो नहीं सुन पाएंगे, कल लग जाएगा.
my lord,
कल लगा दीजिए.
My lord, क्रिमिनल अपील डीबी का जो मामला है,
डीबी नहीं अभी लगेगा नहीं.
प्रोविजनल बेल का लिए आईए फाइल किया है.
वो आप फाइल करिएगा नेक्स्ट वीक.
नहीं तो आईए हमने फाइल किया है 23rd को ही.
नेक्स्ट वीक.
और प्रोविजनल बेल के लिए फाइल किया.
नेक्स्ट वीक.
फादर एक्सपायर कर गया.
I followed it. Next week we can't accommodate. Yes.
My lord, रेगुलर बेल है लॉर्डशिप, और 9 महीना से ज्यादा हो गया लॉर्डशिप. 20/5 को लिस्टेड था मैटर 21 पर.
बिना नोटिस का हमारा कंपनी खाली करने का एसडीओ को डायरेक्शन दे दिया, और अभी तक कोई नोटिस नहीं हुआ. सिमिलर मैटर हाई कोर्ट में पेंडिंग है, स्टेटस को है. ब्याडा का मैटर है.
सॉरी
लॉर्डशिप, लॉर्डशिप. लॉर्डशिप, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस एम बदर साहब का एक्साइज एक्ट का मैटर था जो कि मंडे को लिस्ट पर था. सेम पीएस का मेरा हुजूर मंडे को भी लिस्ट केस लिया गया था, लेकिन नहीं थी लिस्ट.
नो ग्राउंड. यस,
हमारा ऊपर था हुजूर उस केस से.
कॉल आउट.
My lord,
डिस्पोजेस कर देगा.
आप लोग अपनी स्लिप्स दे दीजिए, हम लोग वी विल सेट.
एक जो एसटी एससी का अपील है, शादी के ग्राउंड पर कार्ड लगाए हुए हैं.
वो लगा दीजिएगा. कार्ड का देखकर किसी के यहाँ कल हो सकता है तो कल करेंगे, नहीं तो नेक्स्ट. गिव योर स्लिप. गिव योर स्लिप. I've had enough. Please give your slips.
May I have my lord's leave?
Lordship had grant bail, but
Lordship, I may be permitted to submit.
सब slip ले लीजिए हम लोग देखें. Please
Lordship,
give your slips and let the
Lordship,
court
I may
begin.
be permitted to submit Lordship. Lordship, two occasions I mentioned Lordship, but I could not satisfy Lordship. House of petitioner is going to be auctioned. Yesterday, Lordship, bank authority went to the message Lordship, and they told that your house can be auctioned any day.
इनका slip दीजिए, लगा दीजिए justice.
Much obliged.
अनिल कुमार सिंह.
May I have,
मेरा डिस्पोजेज वाला पोजीशन है, डिस्पोजेज कर देगा मेरा कंपनी को.
Sorry.
may I have my lord's leave?
My
There
lord-
is the specific order of this honorable court staying the process of my eviction from my dwelling house. In spite
My
of
lord-
that, I have been disposed,
You have been
ousted from my dwelling house.
file a criminal case.
I will be filing lord's case is pending here.
That's all right, but file a criminal case. If there is an order of the court is not going to do
My lord,
anything
I will be
else.
filing. I have suggested my client.
Sorry,
to file.
Mr. Jha.
My lord, if-
Come after vacation. All necessary action shall be taken against the hearing official.
Right now, I am on the
Mr.
road, my
Jha,
lord.
it will not be taken up, please.
I have no house, my lord. I am on the road.
My lord,
Mr. Jha,
My lord.
you know the law. It can be restored only after hearing the other side.
My lord, my
So
lord.
therefore, nothing can be done during vacation.
In the next,
You had just a
next
minute.
week,
You had, can you hear the court?
my lord.
You had the order in your favor.
Yes.
Now, notwithstanding that you have been ousted, file a contempt petition, file a criminal case. We will have you restored, but in vacation, nothing can be done. That's the whole difficulty.
my lord, I
If,
have
if
my
it
lord,
is listed in the next week,
My
my
lord.
lords, if not this week,
my lord,
that will help me, my lords.
my lord,
That will help me, my lords. This honorable
I will
court.
accept your slip because you will not permit anybody to speak or for the court to
I'll
resume.
keep quiet, my lords, now.
बाकी
Henceforth.
last week में कहीं लगा दे.
my lord, I have given
will see.
my lord,
We will see. Nobody is going to accept this. Yes.
my lord, my lord, I have given 2 times slip. This, my lord, petitioner is disabled and handicapped 40%. Medical certificate issued.
Prayer-
And this case is listed before the lordship.
Were rejected.
In this case,
When I have said that give your slips, we will find out, write it clearly. Till 5 o'clock we sit and we examine the slips. Still you are mentioning,
Hazur-
I will be rejecting all prayers.
हजूरी इसको 2 बार कर दिए गए हैं इसको.
आप दीजिए,
दे
अगर
देते
हमें
हैं,
करना
दे
होगा
देते
मैं
हैं.
कर दूंगा. Give us
हजूरी
slip.
2 बार
लॉर्डशिप
इसको दिए हुए हैं.
जुवेनाइल का
2
है
times
लॉर्डशिप,
दिए
2
हुए
बार देख
जाकर
चुके
slip
हैं.
ले लीजिए.
लॉर्डशिप जुवेनाइल का है लॉर्डशिप.
Give your slips.
मुझे एक लेडीज के ग्राउंड पर है, मुझे साइड
लॉर्डशिप
का है, साल
जुवेनाइल
भर.
का है.
अभी कोई ऑर्डर नहीं करेंगे, स्लिप दीजिए, उसको देख कर करेंगे.
जुवेनाइल वाला है.
Go outside and take the slip.
My lord, there's this examination matter. The last date it's scheduled on 30th of this month, my lord. If I
Like.
may have.
We'll see.
Like.
लगा दीजिए.
Lordship, in this case, the father of the petitioner
Any place.
died, Lordship, on 20th, Lordship,
Give
of
your
this
slip.
month,
I have told you, no?
for the provisional bail, Lordship.
हाँ? Provisional bail का जितना है वो अलग करिएगा, हम कागज देखेंगे उसके बाद.
मिलॉर्ड जुबनाइल अपील मिलॉर्ड बेल.
Much obliged.
में आई मेंशन ये लॉर्डशिप्स हुजूर, इसमें मेरा फैक्ट्री किसी और को अलॉट कर दिया गया हुजूर.
Were rejected, Mr. Sir.
10 से 12
Sorry,
स्टाफ मेरे
sorry,
घर
sorry,
पर है
sorry.
हुजूर.
My lord,
इसी
I've-
दिन
my
लास्ट
lord-
वीक भी लगा दिए
आप दे दीजिए, देख
My lord,
लेंगे.
I've submitted my lord, I've submitted
उसी
already
दिन
my
लगा दिया जाएगा.
mentioning slip, your lordship, excise matter, your lordship, last more than
Once
2
you have
years.
given- you have
Yes,
given the
my-
slip, no?
my lord, more than 2 years, my lord, the petitioner is in jail, your lordship, for that.
Is that the ground that I am taking
My
into
lord, for the
consideration?
simple reason why he was a driver,
Is
my
that
lord,
the ground that I am taking into consideration that you are in custody for how many years?
more than 2
We
years,
have
my
taken
lord.
the. आप समझती नहीं है इंग्लिश.
I'm sorry, my lord.
My lord.
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मैं वो ग्राउंड लेता हूँ कि आपकी पिटीशन यहाँ फाइल किए हुए 1 साल से ऊपर हो गई, नहीं पकड़ाया है तो मैं ले रहा हूँ.
Yes, my lord, that
आपकी
is-
कस्टडी के बारे में हम
That
मैंने
is
नहीं
also
कहा.
there, last 2 years, my lord, I filed, your lordship, that is there, my lord.
My lord.
I've already submitted my.
All right, so how many times would you mention it? You have done that.
My lord,
From the
my lord,
my
there
lord.
is a judgment of Honorable Supreme Court. I have already given the mentioning slip. Direction
What is
was
the direction?
direction for 4 weeks.
देखें.
I have already given.
And when does the 4-week period expire?
4 weeks. The order is.
Tell us what is. He will
order
not be able to
dated,
find out from there.
19/5/2000. Order is dated 19/5/2020.
19/5. So 4 weeks makes it 19/6. It is still in vacation. The court would not have known that the vacation would have ensued in the meanwhile. All right. What has been directed? What has been requested? बोलिए फिर से बोलिए. We can't find the slip. You make a, you file
regular bail application.
you file
criminal
another
misdemeanor.
slip and let us know at 10, 11 o'clock when the court resumes again. You are holding back the court unnecessarily.
My,
Make another slip and come back to us at 10:30.
my lord,
Yes.
serial number 38 after vacation.
अब कॉल करिए 38 आफ्टर वेकेशन ऑल राइट एज प्रेड फॉर
माय लॉर्ड पेटिशनर का बच्चा काफी बीमार है
तो दे दीजिए ना
Lord,
कॉल करिए